We're close to a start. Over the mile. Ready. And there's the green flashing light and they're off and racing, and Miss Riviera Belle commenced okay. Deep on the track, beginning brilliantly, was He's a Swinger, and spearing through the centre now. A Lot Better will take up the front running, and soon after A Lot Better went clear. Leads a length on Sports Chayton, who has its back, and Miss Riviera Belle slots into third spot on the outside. They're being followed up on the inside of those runners there by Verdo, and further back there as they leave the straight as He's a Swinger. Back towards the inside then, racing back on the inner was Half Crown Gap as they work into the back straight, and then came Elroy Jetson. A length away then as they go into the back straight as Who's Driving, followed by Always Bad, and taking off now and putting itself into the call is All Black Stride as they leave the 1,000-metre mark behind them. And last of all is No Apache Me. 28-1 was the first quarter, and the leader into the back straight is A Lot Better. In second spot, Miss Riviera Belle and All Black Stride is going around the outside quickly. I followed next of all Sports Chayton. On the inside of those runners is Verdo, and they were followed by He's a Swinger, and then Half Crown Gap, and well back in the field is Elroy Jetson, Who's Driving, Always Bad, and back at the tail is No Apache Me. Second split, it was 29.8, 57.9 the half as they sweep down the side. A Lot Better led. On the outside is All Black Stride trying to get on term. Sports Chayton waits on a run. Miss Riviera Belle and Verdo, and the others are headed by He's a Swinger as they swing in for home. The leader as they flatten in is A Lot Better, and it kicks. In second spot now Sports Chayton. They were followed by All Black Stride, the leader. Is still A Lot Better. 27.6 was that split, but in hot pursuit now is Sports Chayton. A Lot Better has a fight on its hands. It's trying to lift inch by inch. Sports Chayton's cutting back the margin, but A Lot Better lifts, and A Lot Better too good has beaten Sports Chayton. Third home of the race, I reckon, was All Black Stride, just in advance of Verdo, and Half Crown Gap, Who's Driving, Miss Riviera Belle. In behind those runners, the next one to clock in, we had Elroy Jetson with He's a Swinger. No Apache Me was at the tail. 27 the last quarter, home in 54.6, 152 for the mile, and A Lot Better has been able to go all the way.